Fire science is one of the oldest public safety priorities in the community. We're able to come to the Fire Training Center about once or twice a month so that the students can participate in these hands-on exercises.
It's actually quite impressive, especially as a high school student, because not many people have that opportunity. And then you learn a lot and how much work the firefighters actually put into saving our lives from a burning building.
Berlin is a senior in the first year program, and he came to us very quiet and very shy, and he had said that he had an interest in criminal justice, but he wasn't sure what exactly he wanted to do with it. And he's the perfect example of how this program has been beneficial for him, because we have tried to expose him to all the facets of criminal justice.
I would say I've grown a lot and matured a lot, and a big thing I took away from this is my confidence and understanding the leadership role.
Now he's on the honor roll, and I'm really proud of the way he's grown and he has matured, and he's planning to go on to a 4-year college.